little motor appears to be available even on Amazon. It's in the schematic. Added those felt pads to stop this metal bracket from jamming up against the metal back there. So, if this thing gets lodged shut and you can't get into it, I redesigned the front end of mine so that it is only held down by those 3 screws. You can release those 3 screws. The flap will come up. Once the flap is up, this metal bar has screws in it, just 2 probably, 1 on each side. Take those out. This whole mechanism, which is quite heavy, will come out, and there's a plug at that end. There's no need to remove the deck unless you want to just do some general maintenance. And it's not the easiest thing to get the whole mechanism out. I had to remove the grab rail on the inside. It's on its side right now. That little buildup of wood there is so that this darn thing doesn't catch here. Same way with down here. There's another one. And then the other rod is here. Problem appeared to be that this end of the mechanism, when it comes all the way back, was jamming against the back. Right here. It would get stuck. And so would not reverse. This motor is available online